morning, everybody. How are we feeling? Welcome to Tampa. This is our 21st summit, but it is not the PWI Summit. It's not the CDNI Summit. It's not the PVI Summit. It is the summit. Just seeing people last night, seeing these three groups come together. This thing was a success before it even started.
All of our friends are in one place, and that's pretty cool.
Look at what we've built.
How many people the initiatives have impacted, the amount of lives and families changed.
It's not just in the number of people, it's in the communities we built. It's in the inclusivity.
Having a diverse community allows us to look at problems differently, and when you have those different perspectives, you can solve them faster.
Individually, the three initiatives have done so much, but together, we can do things we never dreamed of.
We've been building inside of our communities, and it's been really important to be siloed. Now, I definitely see the vision for combining, because now we can bring those shared goals together, and now we're even stronger.
It gives you a different perspective of what other people go through and how much we have in common.
This is a room of my people. And when you're around your people, you can speak your mind.
I'm so honored to be in a room full of people who come from different walks of life, different places on this planet, and all do the same thing. Work their butt off. It's a bunch of dogs in this room.
Like Damon said, he got that dog in him, but I am the dog.
I worked really hard. Not as hard as the dog, sorry.
All I want to say is, Delaney, you are a dog.
Woof.
The initiatives are the reason I gave Power a chance. And like so many others at Power, I am home.
I've, over the past couple of days, been questioning if I've ever really known what it felt to truly be loved and supported. And I feel loved and supported here.
By modeling empathy, understanding, and trust, we can create an even stronger culture than we have today.
My words of encouragement to you, stare it down. Speak to your younger self. You'll be on that journey to being the best version of you.
When you're having a hard day, recognize how collective power, how together we can create a difference in the world.
Everything is just so organic and so real, you know what I'm saying? So power, baby. Power is where it's at.